Okay, so here is the finish, MikroVice. So I've got a vise in the front. Here are the springs, right? And that, again, that keeps it, the vise separate, it pushes it out away from the box. And then that way you can get the material in there. It's much easier to get the material in. And then that's a 14-inch vise. It could be a 21. It could be anything at all in length. It just has to be in increments of, the spacing of the holes has to be in increments of 3.5 to fit the holes in there. And then I have this prepared for a future thing that's going to come up off of it. But that's not part of this project. And then I have this one here. This one doesn't have springs because this one is intended to hold clamps. And then I have another one here that's on springs as well. That's like a 14 or something like that. 10.5. That's a 10.5-inch vise. And so there you go. And then if you look on the inside, that's what you're seeing. We'll turn it upside down. And there are threaded tees in all of those. These are a newer version, or a little bit older version, in that I'm using I'm waiting for a different kind of wood washer that's going to go on there. It's going to be more flush with everything. But there's your feet, the 2 feet. I put a couple pads on the bottom so that protects the box. And there you go.